Hi there folks, and welcome to this week's Spot Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 159. So the US Open is a new champion, Gary Woodland, in the world number 25 with a winning score of -13. So in golf, the player with the lowest score at the end of the game wins. So Gary scored 3 less than defending champion Brooks Koepka. So what was Brooks's final score? Well, if Gary scored 3 less, then Brooks is going to have scored 3 more. So how do you get the number that's 3 more than -13? Well, you add 3 to it. So that means that you're starting down at -13 and you go up by 3, which means that Brooks had a second place score of -10. And this score was 8 less than Masters champion Tiger Woods, so it was Tiger's final score. So if Brooks scored 8 less than Tiger, then Tiger scored 8 more than Brooks, so that'd be -10 plus 8. So down at -10 going up 8 takes you up to -2. So there's been an Open Championship every year since the first tournament, except for a 2-year break for World War One and a 3-year break for World War Two. So what was the first? In what year was the first ever US Open Championship held? Well, there's been 119 of them, so if there was one every single year, all we would have to do is take 119 away from the current year. But we've missed 2 because of World War One, so we need to just take off an extra 2, and we've missed 3 for World War Two, so we need to take off an extra 3. So that means that the first ever Open was held all the way back in 1895. So congratulations to Gary Woodland. So on to our entertainment story. I loved this one. So there's actually a golden ticket for sale, one of the original ones, at auction. So it's rectangular in shape and it's got a perimeter of 57 centimetres. So the ticket's 19 centimetres long. What is the breadth of the ticket? So the perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So if 2 of those sides are 19, what we can do is we can double 19 first of all to get 38. We can then take that away from the perimeter and that comes to 19, and this 19 is the other 2 sides added together. So to work out the breadth of the golden ticket, we just divide 19 by 2 to get 19.5 centimetres. So onto our housing story. So as you can see, there's a positive trend in house prices in England over the past year, but flats are actually becoming less popular, and they've actually taken a drop in their sales value. So by what figure is the cost of a detached house in England risen? So we have to give our answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Well, from the graph we can see it's 2.5%, which means 2.5 out of 100. And we now need to simplify this fraction. So what we need to get is the smallest possible whole number that we can get on the numerator. So the easiest way to get a whole number on the top is to times top and bottom by 10, because 2.5 times 10 is 25. And of course, to create an equivalent fraction, what we do to the top we've got to do to the bottom. So 100 times 10 is 1000. And this fraction simplifies, and believe it or not, here you can divide top and bottom by 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 25 goes into 1000 40 times if you count up enough. So the answer we were looking for there was 1 over 40. So our final story concerning the environment. So boots are now going to be doing paper bags instead of plastic. So by the year 2020, all stores will have paper bags. So we're asked how many plastic bags do Boots currently use in their stores. Well, currently 900 tonnes of single-use plastic is used in the stores every year, and a single-use carrier bag weighs 22.5 grams. So we're basically saying how many times does this go into this. The problem is the units are different. So you're either going to have to change the single-use carrier bag into tonnes or change the tonnes into grams, and I think it's easier to change the tonnes into grams. So 900, if you times it by 1000, there are 1000 kilograms in a tonne. So 900,000 kilograms, and to change kilograms into grams you times by 1000 again. So in other words, it's 900 million grams are in 900 tonnes. And we want to know how many times 22.5 goes into this big number, so that's a divide. So the answer we're looking for was this here. In other words, 40 million plastic bags are used by Boots across their 2,485 stores every single year. So well done for them for doing something about it. But anyway, folks, there you have it. Our What Solutions for issue number 159. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems, and we'll see you next week for some more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.